Understanding wall oven. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, wall oven. This might sound like two unrelated words combined, but when used together, they have a specific meaning that's quite essential in many households. Before we get to the combined meaning, let's understand each word individually. Wall. This is a continuous vertical brick or stone structure that encloses or divides an area of land. It's what you see surrounding rooms in a house, creating a barrier between the inside and outside or between different rooms. Oven. An oven is an enclosed compartment, usually in a kitchen, for cooking and baking food. You've probably baked cookies or roasted chicken in one. When you put these two words together, wall oven, it refers to an oven that is built or installed into a wall. Unlike freestanding ovens that come as part of a stove or range, wall ovens are separate and are often installed at eye level. Benefits of a wall oven. Space saving. Since it's integrated into the wall, it doesn't occupy any floor space in your kitchen. Convenience. Being often installed at eye level, it's easier to access without having to bend over. Flexibility. You can often find homes with more than one wall oven, allowing for multitasking in the kitchen. Now, let's look at how one might use wall oven in sentences. 1. I love our new kitchen. The wall oven makes baking so much more convenient. 2. When renovating, we decided to switch from a traditional range to a wall oven to save space. 3. One advantage of a wall oven is that you don't have to bend down to check on your food. And that's a wrap on wall oven. Now, when you come across this phrase, you'll know exactly what it means. We hope this video has shed light on yet another intriguing aspect of the English language. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.